Hey guys, it's Brad from BBP Boxing Bootcamp and welcome back to another bag drill. This is a very simple but effective drill and anybody can do it, from beginners to advanced. The main aim of the workout is we're going to be looking to see if we've got that trunk rotation through these punches. So like I was saying, it's very simple. All we're going to do is straight punches. So we're going to do a combination of a 1-2 straight, a combination of a 4 straight, combination of a 6 straight, 8 straight, 10 straight, and the maximum is 10. Once we've done 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, we're going to come back down, 8, 6, 4, 2. Nearly lost count. Yeah, so we're just going to keep it nice and simple. We're going to set a clock for 2 minutes. So we're going to be doing these combinations for 2 minutes on the bag. So in a minute I'll show you anyway, jump on, show you what we're up to, and then 2 minutes work followed by 60 seconds rest. In that 60 seconds you need to do 20 Russian twists, which I'll show you when the bell goes. We're going to aim to do 3 to 5 rounds, and this is going to get that trunk on fire, that core on fire, and those arms on fire as well, to make sure that these punches are coming from the hips. Okay, here it comes. Just before we start, I got asked a question the other day. That the bag moves so much when they're doing these combinations or they're doing these workouts, and unfortunately sometimes they will, depending on obviously how heavy your bag is. So what you can do before you start throwing these punches is, as it's moving around like that, you can just use your jab to try and break the momentum of the bag. Or you can get your guard up as it's swinging. Imagine your opponent coming in and you can step off and carry on again. So usually I don't show you that, but I do that a lot in the videos, but I edit it out. But it was a good question. So I'm going to start showing you from now on. So when I jump in, and you can see me doing now, that's the reasons why. Because obviously the bag's moving so much, then you need to be able to stop the bag to then be able to do your combinations. Rather than if the bag's moving around a lot, like that, and you're trying to chase it, and obviously all your coordination and your technique goes out the window because you're trying to chase the bag. Okay, so with these punches, as we're going through, you want to move the hips with the punches as well. So if we're throwing the left, if we're in that orthodox stance, the left hip comes forward, and as soon as we throw the right hand, the right hip comes through as well. Yeah, so we're there, rotation, rotation in the hips, use those legs and use those hips for the punches. Hey guys, sorry to interrupt your video, but I've just looked back at the video and I need to jump this in so you can get the most out of this drill, this boxing workout. As you're doing the punches, so as you're doing throwing 1, 2 or throwing 4 or 10, make sure you plant your feet when you're throwing the punches so you're not chasing the bag round, so then you can plant your feet and get your hips moving. Okay, enjoy the rest of the video. And as you can see as well, as I'm throwing the punches out, they're coming from my chin, boom, and they're coming straight back to my chin as I'm changing over. So that's where you want these punches to come from, and then it's going to give your arms a little bit more of a burn as well. So even if you're not boxing, to be able to fight in the ring, it's going to give you that added benefit of holding the arms up, keeping the shoulders nice and tight, keeping the shoulders under pressure to keep working. Then obviously if you are going to go into the ring, it keeps your guard up so then you're protected the whole time as you're throwing these punches out. 1, 2. Once you've done 1, 2, then you're going to then move around the bag. Then we're going to do 4 straight. So 1, 2, 3, 4, all through the hips. Move around the bag. Next combination is then going to be a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Move around the bag, keep moving. And then 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Move around. Then 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Once you've got to 10, there's still going to be time left from the 2 minute round. Then you go back down to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's what we're aiming for from the workout. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to jump in, I'm going to set a clock for 2 minutes, show you some real time action, and then we'll show you the Russian twist, what we're going to get done, and then you guys can crack on. You don't need to be going too fast. You just want to look to make sure you get that rotation in. around the bag, move around, lock it off. Okay, once the bell goes, we can jump straight down. You've got a minute to do 20 Russian twists. So feet up in the air, like so, shoulders back slightly. You're gonna come down and touch each side of both gloves. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You wanna make sure you're in that position there, feet are up, legs over, really twist. Make sure you really twist to get that core and that hip rotation in there on those Russian twists. So the program is very simple, but it's going to burn those arms and shoulders. Yes, you've got a lot to think about when you're there. Start using the techniques I showed you to slow the bag down, throwing that jab out. Just keeping it ready there to be able to throw the shots. Using the guard up, in close to your opponent, stepping off, and then throwing those shots again. But looking for that rotation there, like that. Oh, oh. And rotating around and rotating through, keep them shoulders moving. So let me know how you get on with it, guys. Yeah, we're gonna aim to do 3 to 5 rounds. Let me know how many rounds you do in the comments. And if you love boxing workouts, strength conditioning workouts that help boxing, or any boot camp style of workouts, if you run a boot camp and you do some boxing, I post videos like this all the time, so please consider subscribing. And yeah, just give me a big fat like, because it really does help out the channel. And as always, if you've got nothing to say in the comments but you want to say hello, please say hello and I'll get back to you and see what you're up to. Okay guys, see you soon.